How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Adding multiple photos or videos to your Snapchat story is easy and lets you share more content with your friends or audience. So in order to do that, simply open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you have not already. Now simply capture or select content. To take a photo or video, tap the camera button to take a photo or hold the camera button to record a video. Or to select it from your memories or galleries, swipe up on the camera screen to access memories or your phone's gallery. Now, from here, simply select the content, long press on one content, then you will get to see select option available there. Tap on various photos or videos you want to post it on your story. Now simply tap on the send option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. So as you can see, I have two profile for friends and one is my public profile. So I'm posting on one according to my preferences. You can do the same. You can choose any of it. So here I'm posting on my private account with for only friends. So tap on it and your story will be posted successfully. You can repeat this process to add more photos or videos to your story again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.